Rajnikant sir seems to be a reluctant politician. He did so many things regarding politics, and he didn't contest and all. So, are you also interested in politics? Do you have any future plans regarding that?
No, no.
As cool as that. No. All right. The next question.
That was the shortest answer I can ever.
Honest as well.
Thank your stars. He didn't say N. N. Nahi chahiye. All right.
Hi Dhanush, Abhishek this side. The trailer looks amazing.
Thank you.
I remember interviewing you during Ranchna. I asked you that, are you nervous because down south you are a superstar. So you told me that it's just another film for me. Was it the same during this film as well?
The only, okay, two. I'm very nervous when I'm in front of a still camera and when I'm on a stage. Everywhere else I'm fine. I have this confidence inside me that tells me, you've seen the worst, you can handle yourself. So otherwise, these are the only two places where I'm nervous. So right now, yeah, I'm nervous.
Abhishek, just to add, I don't know how many people are aware, but 21st June was the date Ranchana was also released 6 years back. So it's actually happened on its own, but it's his first Bollywood debut and the Hollywood debut together.
Also happens to be my son's birthday. Whoa. Too many releases.
You said yes. You have said yes about collaborating with Anand Rai.
Yes, I will be teaming up with Anand L. Rai sometime. But I will be doing a Hindi film soon. It'll be announced soon. Yes.
मैं चलूं आगे?
ரொம்ப நன்றி கண்ணா இங்கே வந்து எனக்காக இவ்வளோ தூரம் நீங்கள் உங்களுடைய அன்புக்கும் உங்களுடைய ஆதரவுக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி கண்ணா. தேங்க்யூ. I just thank them for their love and support.
No, we were not suspecting anything. No, we were like, हाँ हमें पता है.
நான் சொல்றத விட நீங்க சொல்றது கேட்கும்போது இன்னும் சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. என்னம்மா?
I have never, we've launched, I don't know how many trailers, I've never seen itni sari positivity and so many happy faces. Give yourselves a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. This amazing cast and crew, seriously, Dhanush, this is fabulous. Do we have a question or I'll take over? I'll take over. All right, just one last thing, As I said, this is targeting the audience worldwide, actors from across the globe, as Aditi also pointed out, as he also said. Was it difficult communicating with them, or, it's the emotions. When you are on screen, it's the emotions that you portray. So how difficult or easy was it to act with a co-actor who's from some other ethnicity, I would say?
Actually, it was not difficult. Ken made it very easy for us.
Right.
He was there to guide us, help us, and to make us understand what's required of us. So it was not at all difficult. Actually, it was very exciting, and we all had good fun.
Ken, what
Except
was...
he just made me...